I added these engaging captions to this video in just 1 minute using Descript, and it was way easier than I thought it would be. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing, step by step. First, head over to the Descript website using the discount link in the description. Log into your account and click New Project, then select Video Project. Now, upload the video you want to work with. As soon as your video finishes uploading, Descript will automatically start transcribing it. Just give it a moment to complete. Now, on the left side, you'll see the full transcript. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks accurate and the grammar checks out. Once that's done, we can move on to adding the captions. To do that, you need to choose how you want to start, either with a preset style or by building the captions from scratch. If you want to use a preset, look to the right-hand toolbar and click on the Captions option. That'll open up a list of styles you can apply instantly. You've got options here, simple ones, typewriters and highlighted styles, or those single-word captions that pop on screen. Just click to apply the one that fits your video best. You can also tweak them by adjusting the font size and color to match your branding or video style. If you'd rather start from scratch, click on the Elements tab and select Text. Then, change the type to Captions. From here, you're free to customize everything. Click on the caption layer, then hit the 3 dots to open more settings. I started by changing the font style because the default one looked too plain. I picked Impact for a bolder look. You can also adjust the font size by changing the number next to it. Align the text left, center, or right, whatever works best for your layout. Next, I wanted to change the colors. I made the active words, the ones being spoken, yellow, and kept the upcoming words in white for contrast. I also added a border around the yellow text to help it stand out more. You can play around with extra effects too, like adding a shadow or blur. I adjusted the opacity to make the video look better. Once you're happy with the look, you can save this caption style to use again later. Just go to the Scene section, click the 3 dots, and select Save Scene as New Layout. Descript will save it so you can apply it to any future videos with one click. Now, for example, if you have a video with multiple speakers in it, you will notice that by default, Descript applies the same caption style to every speaker in the video. But if you want to give each speaker a unique look for clarity or just a better visual experience, here's how I did it. First, I uploaded my video and double-checked the transcript to make sure it looked right. Descript sometimes adds expressions or small filler words, so it's better to simply remove those for a cleaner result. Next, I found the part where the second person starts speaking, and I split the clip right there. This creates 2 separate segments on the timeline, one for each speaker. Now that the clips are separate, you can apply different caption styles to each one. Just select the first clip, pick your caption style, adjust the size or color if needed, and you're good. Then do the same for the second clip with a different style. It might take a few extra minutes, but it's still way faster than adding captions manually. And it looks a lot better when each speaker has their distinct style, especially for interviews or podcasts. Finally, once you're done editing, go ahead and download your video so you can share it anywhere you like. Descript gives you a bunch of export options, as you can see here. You can download it directly to your computer, or if you prefer, upload it straight to YouTube from inside the app. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick look at Descript's pricing plans in case you're wondering what it costs to use. You can start completely free. The free plan gives you 1 hour of transcription per month and lets you export in 720p with a watermark. If you need more, the hobbyist plan is $12 per month when billed annually, or $24 if you pay monthly. It's a simple upgrade if you're creating content regularly. You can get started for free right now by using the link in the video description. And for another useful tutorial for your content creation journey, check out this video next.